The Osu Salem Old Boys Association, OSOBA, has organized a night of remembrance for one of theirs, Dr. Emmanuel Anfom. The service, which took place at the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Ebenezer Congregation at Osu, had Reverend Prof. B.Y. Kwashi, Reverend Professor Seth Aiti, Reverend Isaac Adoi Brown, and many others speak fondly of Dr. Evans Anfom.
Emmanuel was blessed with a very fine mind, a mind younger than one can find even in 50-year-old individuals. At 100, he was able to accurately and brilliantly articulate and share ideas from his vast store of knowledge and experience of affairs. Again, at 100, he granted a lengthy interview to GBC, something many, including myself, will shy away from. Even at 101, he was still intellectually active, sharp, and engaging. Uncle Jimenez's life fitted what the psalmist wrote.
In an exhortation by Reverend Professor B.Y. Kwashi, themed others described Mr. Evans Anfom as a kind-hearted soul. He admonished all to emulate the kind heart of Dr. Evans Anfom.
In humility, and in that humility, he demonstrated selflessness for the sake of others, not himself. He demonstrated a sacrificial disposition, gave up his life for the sake of others. Beloved, we are gathered here tonight, celebrating the life of Dr. Emmanuel for the sake of others, was prepared to go to these rural areas and serve. You can imagine the difference between Edinburgh and Papa at the time. And yet, he was prepared to do it for the sake of others. The way that Dr. Anfom demonstrated to us, reminding us that the example of Christ set for us is an example that we can follow if we remain anchored in Jesus Christ.
In an interview with Naobi, Mr. Ebenezer Amate Akwete, an OSOBA of 1951, said Dr. Evans Anfom was an industrial student while at Osu Salem, leaving an indelible mark till date in the school's history. He recalled many sacrifices Dr. Anfom made for the love of humanity.
Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bote standard 4 tún èmi nígi wà assembly hall board kò pẹ̀tẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ní ẹgbẹ́ yẹn nọ akẹ́mẹ́ ní bọ̀mọ́dé ní àmẹ́ná scholarship kẹ́tì secondary school ṣe ìfàtà àmẹ́yẹ èkòjì CEO mate èkòjì ọ̀dàmtì ismu Dr. Simon kẹ́mẹ́kókùmẹ́ ìwọ kọ́ standard 4 lẹ́ẹ̀sánú náà lẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ mẹ́ni lẹ́ni ní àmẹ́tọ́ school ẹ̀ Ekoji Dr. Anfom. No make jake wo fe onupa ikeji o gbeke bi iji o wona heshiba ye no fe no wo fi o ni Dr. Anfom tamobo ni wole etu no fe no ke minjele etu ke hewale etu ke nye mo fe eme ake enele esa ni mi ma fe se fi ono fe no ko ni nka ojugba aje ake Bemi ni anye he koko meke ni chumo ahun le baga ele ake bajo ni achele ko ake o e baga mo si ata o ne atamale no ne ke je ake o boni ya tu asi ahun ne to mi ne mi atamale si je mejeke no ni moni chele Dr. Akwe le nganyo bi e bi like gan jekeke negbe e ke gan ke tamale ejeke e won e bi like ole mono ya je etamale elo e ke enu egbe ni elele nigbe mo je Holland e won Dr. Akwe bi like gan ke tamale ke Holland ke tamale negbe jeke ene tun ko ke kan ni eto ni bi nete ya telele ni nene gi no ko ni be febe keke oblahin that refu ekpe esumone ka koni amena ni ameli ake heko eko jeke obasuomo losako tuoni keminjile.
The children of Dr. Evans Anfom also spoke to Naobi.
So the money about you hey ni ete ekomani finish one here jeme afoko so ni tumo ga mi te jeme no ni te jeme ni and then le ake doctor bi ju mi solo woni ame ham no ani le ake lole no ni kale konkro ko gbe papa le fish guy ona kan hu akelewo ono hu ombo de ni 1 year se ibi ni efe subani here only ke mo fe mo ishi fa ona
Ile akenke ni BP ba fatai. Ji aken hu mo echo ake sani ochu ni ojogba ona ke ni de Christopher ni bi ni efe ni be wo fe won kwele ona ni ye dale mi fe joge ni 100 ke se ebi ake ni se bi ko nkele wie ni tono ebi ake o mi na efi o ye bi elolo ona ni nkele ake o enu chumo egbe kuna chike egbe na ni mo wa chele ona na ekwemi ni de ekwemi tono ni o bo kra bo mi no wi ona ona ile ake nucha ile ake no ni wi mi.
Though the whole GADANGME region has been thrown into a state of mourning, Dr. Evans Anfom is expected to be given a befitting state burial. A report by Naobi for Reeby News, Accra.